Oh, hello, welcome back. Let's remove the background instantly from a picture without having to crop it. If you're using Photoshop 2023 or later, like what I'm using, there will be two presets that you can use to remove the background, which are select subject and remove background. So select the image layer and then click on remove background to have the tool or the preset remove the background of this temple for you. And then when you're done, it will look like this. Okay, there are still some blue areas that I want to remove from this temple. So let's click on the plus symbol, and then let's say if you want the background to be orange, select the paint bucket tool and then color it orange, just like so. Put it as the background and then use the magic eraser tool, so that you can erase some parts of the image. You have to select the image. You have to select the part of the image that has this contrasting color, just like the blue and the gray, which are contrasting colors. So when you select it like this, and then the blue part of the image will disappear, just like so. It's magic, isn't it? Hold on, not that one. And then you will have this kind of result. Remove the blue, and then hold on, there are still some part of the blue color that I want to remove, and then when you're done, it will look like this. Alright, it's really easy to remove a background with the help of remove background and this magic eraser tool, isn't it? So that's it. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.